Hello there! Ever encountered a frustrating error message online? Today, we're diving deep into one of the most common, 401 unauthorized access is denied due to invalid credentials. It sounds technical, but it's simpler than you think. We'll explore what this error means, why it happens, and how to fix it. So, let's get started. First, understand what the 401 error actually represents. It's a message from a web server. It's telling you that you don't have permission to access the resource you're requesting. Think of it like trying to enter a building without the right key. The server is essentially saying, I know who you are, but you haven't provided the correct credentials to prove you have access. This is different from a 403 forbidden error, which means the server knows you and denies access regardless of your credentials. Now, let's discuss the common causes of this error. The most frequent reason is simply incorrect login details. Double-check your username and password. Ensure you haven't accidentally enabled caps lock or number lock. Try resetting your password if you suspect you've forgotten it. Another cause can be expired credentials. Some websites and services require you to periodically update your password for security reasons. If your password has expired, you'll need to reset it to regain access. Cookie problems can also trigger this error. Cookies are small files that websites store on your computer to remember your login information and preferences. Sometimes, these cookies become corrupted or outdated. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can often resolve the issue. Browser extensions can sometimes interfere with authentication processes. Try disabling your browser extensions one by one to see if any of them are causing the 401 error. If you're using an API, application programming interface, ensure that your API key or token is valid and correctly configured. API keys can expire or become invalid if they're not used for a certain period. Finally, sometimes the problem isn't on your end. The website or service might be experiencing temporary issues. In this case, the best thing to do is wait a few minutes and try again later. Contact their support team if the issue persists. To summarize, a 401 unauthorized error means the server requires authentication, and your credentials are either incorrect or invalid. Check your login details, clear your cookies, disable browser extensions, verify your API key, and consider if the website is experiencing problems. These steps should help you resolve the issue. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Consider supporting the channel through Patreon or a one-time donation. Your support helps us create more content like this. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos.